Mr. Perry.
What?
Big up.
Big up, big up.
Mr. Come back, Mr. Perry. Come back some more. Come back some more.
So you get everything?
That is it.
I'm like,
Send him some gift any moment. Send him some gift any moment. Move the phone, but them not send no gift. Gift. Any moment. Any moment. Send him some gift. Send him some gift.
Wow. One done. I'm a baby. Kiss me, baby.
He is my husband and you're not stopping me from going inside.
Jesus and peace, good God of grace. You mean to tell me the first day I don't start your arms house already? Nah, serious, shorty. And where do you do your body jar them? Anyway, move out and way. Can't tell you know if you do with them body jar later. You better tell him don't slap them too hard. Cause they might pop like a balloon. And waste money too much. Oh that. Great one done. Them girl crutches bully. Alright, calm down. Just calm down. Just relax. Poor thing. You feel it fear. Me understand. My granny always said chicken Mary Ark is near. And if you know them, like I saying there, alright? You have to bear in mind, you know, 13 years what an island man having in him back right now. Me not think this a little injury body where you have not managed so much working on one night. You need help, my dear child. Look at me, let me tell you something. Jamaica man them love when you have them big bumper, you see it. I don't know if the boy can't tell a lie, but I just saw things said. I want to show me around this, sir. Let me see it. Jaja. So this a car bumper. Tell me something. When a little girl that grew up, you usually love pancake, right? No. Well, if you never did love pancake, I'll tell you pancake love you. You have a big one on the back there. Flat like. My God, go there you in the night time. I know you're going to manage with this mad white girl and shorty, you know. The thing about it now, the white girl them kinky. All you have to do is tie them up on the bed and take off your belt and give them some raw slick. Then good. Then love them little kinky sitting there. But what shorty still, she probably have a knife on her. You keep the peace and relax your brain. You go and like your head at time everybody head, you know. You usually go to school and know you love maths. You know 1 and 1 or 2 plus cartel. That's how 3. Give man a 3 someone go and ease on yourself and relax, man. Man, just come out, man. Stop stress out the man. You know one done good with that, you know. Right, one done? See it? All one done agree with me, you know. Yo, shorty, yeah, man, say relax and just do it for them, man. You see it and call it a night. You know the thing already, you see it? Yeah, one done. I say a word. Look more you done now we link up, yo. Remember if you link up in the Mario, you see it? Done know you got a whole heap of people that try run in and try this and try that, so just run with some of them, you see it? Oi. I got spice about that with you now. Man need a little break now, man. You love attention, sir. Spin a roll and go back where you come from, man.